I'm not sure how many of you know this, but National Insurance Day is coming up on June 28th. Chris Otto joins us from Banco Investment Services. Aloha, Chris.
Hey, aloha, Steve. So wait, is there actually a day for insurance?
That's what I've been told.
Well, speaking as someone who was blindsided by cancer, I can attest to the benefits of insurance. My personal experience definitely changed the way I talk to families about the important role insurance plays in a well-rounded financial plan.
What do you recommend?
Well, for starters, the amount and type of insurance a person gets depends on a lot of factors, including an individual's needs, wants, wishes, as well as their budget. For example, life insurance can be a wonderful tool often used in estate planning because it can basically be spent on anything, like helping your loved ones pay for final expenses, estate taxes, or even leaving someone or a charity an outright cash inheritance.
So let's go over the different kinds of life insurance.
Well, there's basically two types, right? So the first type is called term insurance, and kind of like the word implies, it's set for a specific term, let's say 10, 20, or 30 years, and it pays out only if the insured person passes away during that term. It's often used by parents, for example, to ensure that family has financial support until their children become of age.
What happens if the insured person outlives the term period of the insurance?
And that's one of the setbacks for term insurance. So in that case, there is no payout if to your beneficiaries if you pass away after the term. That's why, some people prefer whole life insurance. And as the word implies, it's coverage for your entire life. Provides coverage for a person that's worried about outliving their term insurance, for example.
Does that make it better?
Well, not necessarily. Each individual circumstances are unique. So I always recommend they seek advice from a professional financial advisor to determine what's right for them and their family.
What if you're injured and unable to work?
Good question. So disability insurance protects against financial hardships while you're unable to work and provides a cushion to help with expenses like rent, mortgage payments, medical bills, and food.
And if you need longer care?
If someone requires help with daily living or extended medical care, long-term care insurance can cover expenses related to things like in-home health care, a nursing home, or even hospice care.
Yeah, it sounds like there's a lot to think about when choosing insurance.
There definitely is, Steve, but a professional can definitely help simplify the process and help you make the best decision for your individual circumstance.
Well, it's good to see you and glad you're doing well, Chris. Thank you.
Thanks, Steve. Always a pleasure. Thanks for having me. And for more information on the different types of insurance available and how they work, feel free to visit us online at boh.com/smartmoney.